Always looking for a place to put my feet up. Just a lazy guy, I guess. So, there were some current concerns in the comments about. Let's get the focus a little better here, huh? There we go. Let's see what that does. Ha ha ha. So there were some concerns in the comments sections about the. I won't say about the safety, but folks are worried about clearances, things like that, to combustibles. Why I didn't use a thimble going out the wall. I thought I explained it fairly clearly in the video. So anyway, I took some temperature readings tonight. We ran this for probably 4 or 5 hours tonight. And the hottest that stack got near the wood was 83 degrees. And I had a pretty good, a normal forging fire in this thing for what I had. Best part was, did not smell any coal smoke in this building whatsoever. It was really nice. It was even better than it was when this thing was wide open, and of course we didn't have any kind of an exhaust fan on it. But so anyway, Emma was dying to get out and pound on the anvil some, so I decided, what the heck, we'll come out tonight and do a little bit of that. I'm taking her fishing tomorrow up in the mountains, so should be a good time. She's my little tomboy, you know what I mean? But so anyway, that's where we're at. The hottest that it got, where the exhaust enters the intake to that exhaust fan, the hottest that it got was like 163 degrees. I kept a probe up on top, or I kept swapping them back and forth. Probe on top, right next to where the intake gets sucked in, right over top of the fire. And then we kept checking over by the wood. Like I said, the highest temperature is like 83 degrees, so can't really complain about that. It worked wonderfully. Actually quite happy with the way it all worked. We don't, kind of puts my mind at ease quite a bit. I've got a knife on there right now annealing, so pretty much get it up above magnetic and then let it cool down extremely slowly. So what I do with that, what I know I'm going to be going in for the night, I just set it on top of the coal. And what I'll end up doing, I'll bank that coal, smother that fire out. The nice thing with the coal, it goes out really fast once you extinguish it, turn the blower out, it goes out real fast. But I'll be out here for a little while yet, loading the canoe, stuff like that, so I have time to watch it all. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I more kind of just wanted to show you that this is a fairly safe apparatus. It may look a little hillbilly, but it works just fine. I added some more metal, so we go all the way up to the hood there. So now the hood and the forge itself is connected. We're supported with the rods, then we're supported with a stack going out the wall. So we kind of negated any type of racking that's probably going to happen here. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you on the next one.